Carlton.
Yes, Chanda.
I think Takugona is Shona.
Oh, really?
You mean what, really?
Okay, now you can stay quiet.
All right. So today I'm going to speak Shona proverb.
You mean Shona proverb?
Yes.
Tsumo.
Sumo.
It's
Yes,
called Tsumo.
Sumo. So today I'm going to speak Sumo. Shona Sumo.
Who taught you Tsumo, Chanda? Okay,
I'm
let's
just
see.
trying.
That will be interesting. Let's
Okay.
see.
Ave Mozambiya. Ave Mozambuko. Ave Mozambiya. Ave Mozambuko. But
Okay.
please don't tell, because I want you guys to tell me what did you hear, because I want to know, do you really do you really even understand me what I'm speaking in Shona?
All right. Oh, so that would be interesting. Then.
Yes. So I
All
want
right.
you to.
You have heard Muroora. Did you get her? Did you hear what she said?
Yes. Ave Mozambiya. Ave Mozambiya. Ave Mozambuko.
Yes, so she's saying kindly type in the comment section. If you understood what she said, kindly type in the comment section.
Yes, so I know, so I can have a confidence that people, if I'm speaking, people, they can really hear me.
All right. So guys, I hope you're enjoying our videos. We kindly ask you to follow to our Facebook page. You guys, you're no longer following. Those who are not yet following us, we kindly ask you to follow to our Facebook page and to share our videos as well to your friends. May God bless you. Have a blessed day.
Amen.